Hello students. Now today we will discuss average speed and instantaneous speed. Average speed. Average speed is the total distance covered by the particle in total time. So the formula for average speed is equal to total distance upon my total time. Now first part is body cover different distance with different speed. अब suppose to if body cover distance s1 with speed v1 and distance s2 with speed v2. So the average speed equal to total distance s1 plus s2 upon में t1 plus t2. Now this s1 plus s2 upon में time s1 upon में v1 plus s2 upon में v2. If s1 equal to s2, then average speed is equal to 2s upon में now s upon v1 plus s upon v2. 2s upon में s we take common and v1 v2 LCM, then we get v1 plus v2, s cancel, so the formula will be 2v1 v2 upon में v1 plus v2. So this is the formula for average speed. If a body is moving with different speed in different time interval, for this v1 and for this v2, time interval t1, time interval t2. So if this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. So the distance from A to B, from A to B, d1 equal to v1 into t1, and from B to C, d2 distance equal to v2 into t2. So the average speed is equal to total distance v1 t1 plus v2 t2 upon में t1 plus t2. This is the formula for average speed. Now come to instantaneous speed. The speed of an object at any instant of time or at a particular point is called the instantaneous speed. It is also defined as limited value of average speed. If a body cover a distance of delta s in time delta t, then average speed equal to delta s upon my delta t. This is the formula for average speed. Number 2, a car move a distance of 200 km/h. It covers first half of the distance at speed of 40 km/h. This is the 200 km, this 100 km, and this is 100 km, and this with the speed 40 km/h, and this with the speed of v km/h. Now the average speed is v average equal to 48 km/h. So we apply the formula v average equal to total distance upon total time, and for equal distance the formula is 2v1 v2 upon v1 plus v2. Now we put the value of v1. So v average is 48, 2 v1 is 40, v2 is v upon में 40 plus v. Now cross multiply 48, 40 plus v equal to 2 into 40 into v. First of all we cut by 4, this 12. Now we cut by 2, this 6. अब वैल्यू होगी 6, इधर लिखेंगे 40 प्लस v इक्वल टू 10v. ये वैल्यू होगी 240 प्लस 6v इक्वल टू 10v. So 240 equal to 10v minus 6v 4v, and v equal to 240 upon में 4 that is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. So the correct option is B. Now question number third. A bus traveling the first one third at a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. Now we divide this distance into three equal parts S, S or S. This is 10 kilometer per hour. Next one third 20 kilometer per hour. Next one third 60 kilometer per hour. What is the average speed? So V average equal to total distance S plus S plus S upon time for first one third S upon 10, time for next one third S upon 20, time for next one third S upon 60. In numerator 3S, in denominator we take S common and 60 LCM. So this 6 plus 3 plus 1, S cancel out. So the value is 3 upon 6 plus 3 plus 1, 10, or this 60 is shift into numerator, 0 cancel. So 6 3 is a 18 kilometer per hour is the average speed. So the correct option is C. Now question number 4. A car moves from X to Y with a uniform speed of VA and from return to X with uniform speed of VB. Move करेगी this और return with speed this. What is the average speed? So average speed equal to total distance upon my total time. If x to y is s, then y to x is also s, and s upon my VA plus s upon my VB. Now we take 2s, sum of s plus s 2s, and denominator we take s common and VA into VB LCM. So यहाँ पर वैल्यू होगी VB, ये वैल्यू होगी VA, s कैंसिल. So the answer is 2 VA VB upon में VA plus VB. So the correct option is C. Now question number 5. A particle cover half of its total distance with speed v1 and rest half with distance speed v2. Its average speed. Now for equal distance, the formula for average speed is 2v1 v2 upon में v1 plus v2. So the correct option is C. Now question number 6. This question is based on instantaneous speed. Now the S equal to 12t plus 3t square minus 2t cube. Velocity of the car at the start. So V equal to ds upon my dt. Now we differentiate 12, derivative of t is 1 plus 3, derivative of t square is 2t minus 2, derivative of t cube is 3t square. So the value is 12 plus 60 minus 6t square. And at the start, so initially or at the start t equal to 0. So the V equal to 12 meter per second is the correct option. So option is C. Now question number 7. A particle move along a straight line OX. At time t the distance x is given by 40 plus 12t minus t cube. How long would the particle travel before coming to rest? Now first of all we find the speed v equal to dx upon dt. Derivative of constant is 0 plus 12 into derivative of t is 1 minus 3t square. So value होगी 12 minus 3t square. Before coming to rest, it means v equal to 0. Therefore 12 minus 3t square equal to 0 or 3t square equal to 12. This implies t square equal to 12 upon 3. This 4. And t square equal to 4 means we take the square root, then this t equal to 2 second. And time is t equal to 2 second. अब ये t की वैल्यू पुट करोगे आप इसमें फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में, जो x इक्वल टू 40 प्लस 12 इंटू 2. Now put the value of t in equation first. So we get 40 plus 12 into 2 minus 2 cube. ये वैल्यू होगी 40 प्लस 24 माइनस 8, इससे 64 माइनस 8 और 64 माइनस 8 इज 56 मीटर. So the particle covered a distance of 56 meter before coming to rest. Thank you. Now like and subscribe my channel.